Best magnetic car mounts provide secure phone holding, hands-free navigation, safer driving, easy access, strong grip, universal compatibility, design stability. My today's video is about top 5 best magnetic car mounts that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Leeson for MagSafe Car Mount. This MagSafe car mount delivers a strong combination of stability, flexibility, and user-friendly design for modern drivers. Its strengthened vacuum suction cup with a lever lock system provides powerful adhesion on smooth surfaces, ensuring the mount stays firmly in place even during sudden brakes or bumpy roads. Unlike traditional sticky mounts, it offers a residue-free and reusable solution, making repositioning quick and hassle-free. The MagSafe Snap technology is specially tuned for iPhone 12 to 17 series, delivering an instant magnetic click that keeps your phone securely attached while driving. Even with vibrations, the grip remains stable, yet it allows smooth one-handed removal when needed. It works best with MagSafe-compatible cases and included magnetic rings for wider compatibility. Its tri-axis adjustment system adds excellent versatility, allowing 180 degrees rotation and micro-tilt control for glare-free viewing in both portrait and landscape modes. Ideal for windshields, mirrors, or desks, it fits multiple environments. Backed by a 24-month warranty, it's a reliable and practical choice for everyday use. Now our second product is Chicklish Car Phone Holder for MagSafe. This car phone holder stands out as a premium, highly engineered mounting solution designed for maximum stability, flexibility, and universal compatibility. Its 360 degrees rotating base combined with a 210 degrees dual-axis folding metal arm allows precise angle adjustment, ensuring the phone can always be positioned for safe, glare-free viewing without blocking the driver's line of sight. When not in use, the foldable design collapses neatly, keeping the dashboard clean and organized. The upgraded vacuum suction cup paired with a reinforced 3M adhesive base delivers exceptional holding power of up to 89 pounds, making it highly reliable even on rough terrains like mountain roads. Extensive real-world testing across multiple car models ensures long-term durability and secure dashboard attachment. Its magnetic system is equally impressive, featuring 2026 N55 magnets with 3600 GF force, powerful enough to hold multiple smartphones securely through sharp turns, braking, and vibration without affecting signal quality. Fully MagSafe compatible and supported with a metal ring for Android users, it offers broad usability. Backed by a lifetime warranty, it delivers strong long-term value and confidence. Our third product is Anderi Car Phone Holder for MagSafe. This premium car phone holder combines advanced engineering with everyday practicality, making it a highly reliable choice for drivers and professionals alike. Its 360 degrees rotating base and 210 degrees dual-axis folding metal arms allow smooth, precise adjustments for both portrait and landscape viewing. The foldable structure reduces the mount size by 50% when not in use, keeping your space organized while maintaining durability through 3,000+ usage tests. The upgraded rotating lock vacuum suction system delivers 45% stronger grip than traditional mounts, supported by a 4-layer nano-gel cup that holds up to 78 pounds. It performs reliably in extreme temperatures and has been validated through thousands of durability and reattachment tests, ensuring long-term stability on rough roads and sudden stops. Equipped with 22 high-strength N55 magnets offering 2400 GF force, it securely holds phones through vibrations and sharp turns without signal interference. The circular cooling design improves airflow, preventing overheating during navigation or calls. With 1-second installation and broad MagSafe compatibility, it delivers convenience, strength, and efficiency in every drive. Now number 4, LNKXT Vacuum Magnetic Phone Holder for Car. This universal vacuum magnetic car phone mount is a highly versatile and practical solution designed for nearly all smartphones and usage environments. It supports iPhone, Samsung Galaxy, and other Android devices, with direct MagSafe compatibility for iPhone 12 to 17 series. For non-MagSafe phones or cases, adhesive metal rings ensure a strong magnetic connection after a 24-hour curing period, making it widely adaptable across devices. Its standout feature is the powerful gel-coated vacuum suction cup, which firmly attaches to a variety of surfaces including dashboards, glass, mirrors, desks, and even treadmills. Unlike many competitors, it does not rely on adhesive pads, and remains washable and reusable for long-term use without residue. The full metal body enhances durability and strengthens magnetic stability, keeping phones secure even on rough roads or sudden braking. Combined with 360 degrees rotation and a durable alloy arm, it allows precise angle adjustment for any scenario. Lightweight, tool-free, and cordless, it offers effortless installation and portability, making it ideal for driving, travel, gym use, or everyday multitasking convenience. And our last choice is Pirok upgraded car phone holder for MagSafe. This premium magnetic car phone holder delivers exceptional strength, precision, and reliability, making it a powerful upgrade for everyday hands-free use. Its advanced 4-layer nanogel suction cup combined with push-lock vacuum technology provides an impressive 80% stronger grip than standard mounts, ensuring a rock-solid hold on dashboards and windshields. With 10,000 plus durability tests and a proven 108 pounds holding force, it remains stable even on rough roads, sudden braking, and sharp turns, powered by 24 ultra-strong N55 magnets delivering 3,000 GF force. It offers secure attachment for both MagSafe and non-MagSafe devices without affecting signal performance. The 4-axis adjustment system with zinc alloy hinges allows smooth, precise positioning for optimal viewing. Tested for long-term durability across thousands of adjustments, wide compatibility ensures support for most iPhone and Android devices, while the included magnetic ring extends usability. However, it requires flat, smooth surfaces and proper setup for best performance, and it is not a wireless charger. Backed by a 12-month warranty and 24/7 support, it offers dependable long-term value and confidence. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.